Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete server on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here, and now here you will find the settings. Click on it. Here as you see you will find overview settings. Click on it like this, and here as you see you will find delete server. Click on it. After this click yes, and that's it. It will be deleted. And that's how to delete server on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.